Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find password and security. Now let's enter system security, and as you can see, where we've got it? Right here in the others, sorry. On the second position we've got the credential storage, so let's enter, and here at the very bottom we've got the remove all user certificates, so let's tap confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.